Gusto na ko mauli.
Awa. So good pa may warm up pa.
Say warm up. Pa-cool down na eh. Pa-cool down na eh. Gusto na ko
Wala pa.
mauli.
Na late mig so good karon. So padulang pa mi sa first station. I'm sorry.
Nalibang sa balay gas yung 20 minutes.
Oh, anyways. We're gonna start 3 loops. Cheerio.
First look.
Station 1. Done. We're done stretching sa station 1. So
Stretching.
going up.
Cheerio. Cheerio.
Cheerio. Boop. Arriving at station 2. I have no idea. Saan ka? Layo. And pila may minutes. Nagsaka na. Kasi I felt like it's forever. Anyways.
Asa na station to?
Arriving at station 2.
Pero, nga nang matasasang to.
Yun. Masay masulti. Masay masulti.
Gago. Zone 5 all the way.
You have no idea. It's because wala ka ng Strava. But,
Yo.
checking in the next station. Boop. Here at station 3. Enjoying a cup of joe.
Hey Joe. Gago ka ba?
Going station number 5.
Landong part.
Ay, kataas.
Landong.
Sis, kamay naman na heat. Look at that. Look at that. Boop.
Ma'am, sa station 5 naman.
Station 5. This is station 5. Ayan tao. Super. Would you look at that view? Would you look at that view? See? Anyways. Ngit-ngit na kayo. So, see you at the top. Just past station 6. Ayan. At station 6. Malaming dugay kay. Kapoy, masangag. Anyways. Maybe kilometer, 1 km, 1.5 km, padung sa peak. And then, balik so that we can complete our first loop. First loop! Alright. See you guys. See you at the peak, guys. Cheerio. So, I stand corrected. Napaday station 7. I'm sorry. Come on, don't hate me. Everybody makes mistakes. I'm a sinner and so are you. So we need grace. So, off to peak. See you at peak. Cheerio. Let's stretch to the peak. It's just mga 300 meters or 100 meters. Padalong peak. And mo pa niya mong first, so napami kaduha pa naman yung balikon. And I'm beginning to question no niapil mo ko dali. Nga ni enter. Anyways, so look at that. We'll have a better view at the peak. Hopefully it's clearing. But yeah, see you at the peak. Cheerio. Here, the peak. Would you look at the fogs?
Part, di naman nakakita ni pa na. O part.
Gani no, visibility na siguro sa 20 to 30 meters. Taas gid siya pre. Ah, doing second loop. Paano ko naka video ba kanina kay Kapoy? But yeah, this is the second loop. Or we're nearing station 4. Plan is rehydrate. Ay, magtukol. Simsulti yun.
Ah!
Simsulti.
The fuck is this shit?
Why, why do you have to curse so much? But yeah, cheerio. Station 4. Break.
Ah. Gas yung dagan to sila ganun na ba?
Asa dito?
Ito. Puro sila 50 tanan.
Mo ba? Kibalabag pa sila. Station 4. Cheerio. Second loop. We're at the peak. And yan ang isa. Asa to si Yod? Yod! Ayan na siya, pag dehydrated na. Mawala sa passing.
Napakoy kaluwa part.
So we're gonna rest a bit. Maybe tulog siguro. Kadali. And then last loop. Peace out. This is for third loop. Time check, it's 12:54. So estimate time we'll finish sa 3 loops is around 3 ano? Hopefully 3. So yeah, see you. Ciao. Finally, last loop. Station back at station. Oh yes, back at station 1. And it's 1 or 2. Sige, amping. It's
Palduhag yun.
2, almost 2. So estimate mahuman mi dere is 6, 5, 6 mahuman ang loop. So there. But we're gonna finish it. Dili na pwede pra. Dili na. Dili pwede mag-effort.
Grabe yung effort.
Yeah. Anyways, see you around. And it's taking its toll. Yod. See, he's not okay. Well, anyways, still have 4, 5, 6, 4 station left, and then peak. So yeah, God, why am I even here? Why am I here? Why are we here? Yod? Anyways, yeah. See you at the top. Finally, station 6.
To me.
Station 6. Look at the view. Wow. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Still have like 300, 400, half a kilometer to go. Ciao. See you at the top. Finally out. finally, last stretch 1.5 km to jump off, and we'll call it a day. Fulfilling, tiring, difficult, and excruciating. But yeah, it was fulfilling. So anyways, that's all for today. Cheerio.